When Ashley Blake and her running buddy Joshua Scott were doing a 14-mile run one day in Frozen Head State Park, Tennessee, they didn't expect their recreational trek to uncover a shocking truth and save some tiny lives. As they ran, Ashley and Joshua heard an odd noise. It was a rustling sort of sound, accompanied by some soft whimpers. Curious, they tried to find the source of the noise, and to their surprise, they came across a small black shape moving in the distance. But as they got closer, they realized it wasn't one shape, but five. Five precious little black puppies shivering in the freezing temperatures and huddling together as closely as possible to find each other's warmth. When they saw the runners approaching, they were frightened at first, but once they realized that they weren't going to harm them, the puppies happily curried up into Ashley and Joshua's arms to get warm. Ashley and Joshua quickly called park officials, and a ranger arrived shortly, revealing that this area was no stranger to dumped and abandoned puppies. Luckily, these two had managed to find them. The puppies were sent to Oak Ridge Animal Shelter, and Joshua even fell so in love with one of them that he adopted him as his own. Meanwhile, the four others await forever homes, happy to be out of those woods at last. Share away, people.